Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
A very high note, but you see, injuries or suspension just give us some little break. But I'm telling you, second round, RTU is coming back stronger and stronger and stronger because you see Abagna and other colleagues will be coming back strongly. So just hope for a better second round. Yeah.
Okoman 97.1 and Apaya Siantanasi, a good emunsem, Yansono Yadi, bro, the spirit of our motherland, Etayechi, into for God and country. Yatanasi, now Fins Yakam, and Sone de Gum, and their mouth, Fisi Semre, Akropong se Twumhene, and Sobe Bono Prem to Bremu, Yansono Edijumedia, Yatuni Dink, Okoman Global Sports, and Yansono Yadi, bro, Nasia Kasian come from executive producer. You're Akufo Anson Bar for Sansan and Akuffo Koreajiman. Pa Solo Paradise, Krobia Sante, DJ Ziggy B, and I think so DJ Donzi. Omunya so na bombe chiro time chidindim. I'm in some who don't and so no Eddie bro. I will Jumedie no so me din Kelvin Amponsah Addi. From me kin so me Joseph I say bibia. I come and then somehow do any baby share and so no fear UEFA Champions League. Only send matches. Me to join us at Club Brugge and I think so no Benfica. And the boy any sounds on Chelsea, Ekopie was saying I do now. And so any Borussia Dortmund, a boy, and the Europa League games, to draw the big game will be an any DH, no be a shame himself because so no a Barcelona. And I feel so no Manchester United, and a ball a Coso, our Stadio de Camp Nou. Oh, and as I game number to draw 5:45. And I saw match and so no a Coso Munkomo, and you know, you be D, and so no a Fianteno, as the Tamu Kuchura as a BI come out. Krobiatana say, Mamana Kwaba Barima says star 787 ash, star 787 ash, and I may come for and so Eddie amount. I say, also no, Odun Wajim na Wapisika Eddie Gu Botum star 787 ash may come for Eddie amount for Jim na Pisika at Debiano or Quenya say Nino 10,000 Ghana cedis and also be winning Nani Amakoso Eddie Ama jackpot and also Odun Jima Quenya say Obedino 700,000 Ghana cedis. That Bibia also no at me Akoso a star. 787 us and I may come for Eddie Amano Pelmukra Mua, Eddie Okoman Global Sports no and so Eba. Krobia ha, Memana Kwaba, Krobia say be fine.
Eko ba dia time bibia ye come up me wan hoden. Okay. Wan hoden very strong pa na ade achi de na chese ye beda na se. O se papa mo boni mo ye mfa sida ma no nti de ko ye ni de anko ye nyina moja eguso die fusa ne de na seda de nya de be fedi. Nti no me wan hoden pa wonso ho ye.
O nyame adom.
Won wa ye fe papa.
Starting new beginning.
Me na me anobe na me na baby. Internet internet na na me use. And I mean
Jennifer for na master to me mba bi hu no.
Ziggy switch to us na me say.
Jennifer for na master to. You know.
We are zini.
3 months journey.
Oh okay.
3 months in a year. I don't know say yeah. February March April. We don't Easter now. Alambo sampa Jenny na meka no enu
mu na wo no oh fine why FM
so I'm chia Clems
oh okay
Clems filling station or no say
Clems na ye oh Clems obey eduma na kama nti enchia no Clems obey eduma na kama ama bibia tumi aye kama nti no no yaba be boegum ye be eduma ndra games no course games in the course and then so etem and then you gumpa oh yes gumpa nti ye beba ya ba behwe huni oma nyina na ye nhu se de nyoma nso ye be den ebesi akonti star 787 hash no eguso wo muguso wo muguso tu eguso pa wo mo etoto ama nyoma nso etumi akonkan nti no no na Madam Sophia o sidɛn
Sophia say nyanya Amanfo na keka na won pe ntira wu ni aben mu ntira won keka ne apɛ tira bia ntira won keka ne apɛ bia ntira won keka ne apɛ ya ma mi Sophia Akuffo okasa na ma kamene na akusi Amponsah wo be kan ze ne ati
okay
wo be kan ze ne ati
kasa no so bɔkɔ da fam
jimawo ma mi Sophia Akuffo achese Wesley ya younger student
oye wege wo
wege student
okay
no heavy
aye juma
ntana won keka ne awpe
na wo mo ka Risha fo nwa asem no hu baby o de fifa
so onyo no appoint you be no be you be adi so ono wa fo obi adwuma dia na ori you nimpa ko but on fo obi adwuma ya o be you be
nsem no kind de atome kuma so
papa
because me exactly my points are always be am raise say omang no na ma omang ni nyina nkoyie ni nyina no yes ana yen constitution ankasa wo problem dia wo matro no sa documented constitution no ankasa problems no doson errors bebre say what you say ebre ekononim nyina na wo sanka yen sakra ni omemu say what you say errors no doson untumi mfa sa time a masa yen akọ ni omemu a bewurewure mu a na matena se ahihye ni omabi that particular instant na eno an yegusu kuremu a bepem enne no over 60 years approaching 70 dey na kire say hu behia se wo mo de constitution ankasa beto media fo be ye wo mo de gwedifo won eton ade be ye wo mo de even gwedifo ankasa no wuremu a farmers fo ankasa no won ayen mmra enso mfa wo mo adwene mbra won ayi no bai ne ade mfa wo mo adwene mbra south america na say politicians mfa wo mo ade mbra teachers fo mfa wo mo adwene like it should be that way no obi bia because what my yet as say 1992 they know na Akropong ya mebubu nyina they were involved yes ura marketing for egwedifo ne ade obi a ba kire na adwene wom a wo mo de boy egwedi ni sanyoma no so now no amendment anya adwuma na sanyoma no nyina ye nyina yen san coming together media fonfa won dem na obi a na ya tena se na ya sonso scrutinize obi a points ne nyoma a wom na efe no ye de aye south as sebi nyansa ne de enye wo a waku school nko a na wo wutimo enye wo a waku school nko a ana wo wutim because mbrana nkasa kra yes ura mbrana nkasa wo mudi adwuma no bebre wo eke endimwa man no nyina ha wadwene pa ha wadwene ti mpene hwe ye hwe pa se adi oman no urade eye nyina ye because ankasa no me hu se yen ya so den class mpene fo no
oh yeah oh no mama ya so edin
yes ana yenso na nka yenso ye betuma kire wo bibi ma wo mo hu se yes but yenso still na isan say ahokyiri ni nioma ni ntina ye na always bia no eke wo mu pia wo hu sa ahokyiri no se wo mu pia because eni genio se born se na ye di wo mu echi ye koto aba line sa nioma ni nyina e ma wo mu hu ni se ye okay so what you say e ma ye wo mu hu se ye okay defendant a wo mu giran radio to radio TV to TV and social media so what you say so they always feel say okay nti nipa ba ku bi betena radio so be de and personal interest but the masses in there massa wo mu okay and o man so di so na be over 50% bibia mu no okay dia na chese ne okay nti anka ye dia kire o mu ba ku pa eno ni me problem but ja obi kan o se ka chechede nko ade anka otuo pa de anka ntu owurem danka massa ye be ya de bi pa ma nipa hu se ye but yeah ne akoya na akoye but ye be was yense science o man na nkasa yen oh yes eki was yense science ko edu bebia ha wadwene edu bebia wadwene pa was yense science yen nya de bia yen so no ukọ the international bodies womu betumi afa no e de aye news say oh dan kwama bi ana da bi e ba betwem say na Ghanaian citizens etumi ye e de boy da de bia ye use Amanfo history na ye de kan ye so ye ye betena se ana Rwanda fo wo ye say ana Asimesi wo ye say ana wotu oyi na wobubu oyi dan na wo ye oyi sa na ye de won de kasa ana nei wo mu etumi gina ye ba yang de ehusa ye de nya no beka gegegegege he osimu e
Eba
beto masa o ma ye nya akunya na ekugina o de awanhwa ye de hono na police gina ye nkonso because ye masa kwan
national security for the message see something say something no na eguso one no see something say something
okay
message say you came again the first
okay
now say transfer see something from the national security no na you can
okay
when we see something we say something
na ye nua no nti update bia won ho ene no unse ndra na wo mo complaining about personnel in the equipment in the hunioma no
you know Christiana
yes uremu otekia
na uremu otekia updating jara ma sai but ochima nanansa ambassador core grounds yeah ma me Priscilla ashite core grounds you hear still na resources you know me gidi out in kwam na yenya resource human resource no more now it make a rescue. I think say we would be able to get our brother alive. It's your bompa say the government of Ghana the far to also now send our kind UN funny EU ni adin vantu also the African brothers they all on so no into me and rescue one but so far as it stands now the update with the exception of Nadia by abitibia enshara masaya
okay kamia say the colleague on in the ball the same team no Atai Sports Nigerian player no ni interview no obi amfa ni serious you but they serious and me say no ama onu me hu ni say me fa ne den oh yes me
no one ho
yes
and also if you on 20 minutes china
from ono ne ho e kwa atu one 45 minutes drive. So but I didn't so see no less than 20 minutes.
So it means
you see he's making
chairman say
yes.
Oh.
You see
the mama yans mema empanyfo from wadwon ko na apartment nso bebre say tintin o fia probably e bi nso ana management e bi ani colleagues ni bi nso feel say they were with him because what your statement about Nvidia he said he was with the vice president, yes. The club sports director
no
in his apartment. So I didn't so confusing. So confusing.
But I mean, the boy in the can matras. I'm saying Amanfo mfe no serious, but Charlie because a 45 minutes drive. But time I didn't know and so see in the day.
45 minutes drive. Answer Yanujo.
Yeah.
And maybe answer Yanujo to be a queen with our. And say be a speed in a car do a speed. And say be a
okay. Obroni kwan so 45 minutes drive for the way we are time I be at 30 minutes o. And at 35, but into me, say what I think to me, that high. Yeah, make it account.
Yes, I take it into consideration.
Because she said, yeah, me adeba mechanic say, she what happened to one more street no main road no asphalt correct ones and they said yeah and there were people not that time when almost were bontia they were affected.
Yes, I know sir. So
very critical.
Definitely he will be using his own vehicle.
Yeah.
And Obia Maya and Tia says young vehicle even if it's crashed at least we know that this is a vehicle of Christian actually. So I think that they should take that one also into consideration. According to the player, Oba Meho and Ofimia this time. And we expect this to be at this time. But at this particular time, my incident we say then so probably maybe I'll calculate from a day to no. Now you minutes now. Maybe a hat and maybe you'll do answer an incident now. Then so all these things, I say what we taking into consideration. But as all other people are reporting, including the management, and they want to say, including the club, no kind of wants to confirm, say no fear, and they see what they are also saying.
The
club, no, I think they are rather not helping us.
Club no crowd.
So I don't want to go there.
Adisi na one more my any credible way be a news to be about the economy. So on Mankasa cry contradict one more conflict with issues in your mouth. Wankasa no they have their own.
That's why I say man no Ghana we should take it upon ourselves. Because the club in Ankasa and so no, their people are involved. When I say their people are their sporting director is there, and even the families of this people club are also involved. So they are rather thinking about their families, not someone else. So Uncle Mine Ghana, you fought to also at least. Well, but as we are still hoping and praying. No.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? Gio. ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me...
Right, yamo bibia achen fan bro Okoman 97 do one bread juice ya diamona ni semwa ya bobo no eba bedan yetiefo ne ahwefo na Akuffo Okore Ajumai together we take it and paradise ekrunchi nsem ni de gu krata so se menko no kwanten kro na me fa Amanfo kru su nsem no emfa bedan yetiefo ne ahwefo urhwemu all the social media platforms are Jumedi ni so no twegu especially on Facebook and so any YouTube no Jumedi no you streaming in live na manyo manso etumi akonkan se yakase radio no ababeye audio visual ante ne wutie no na sanso hwe na unya the clear vivid description of the stories are jeti ni nyina enso edi banti Facebook no Okoman radio 97.1 udru a wetumi like we pia share ama womo a ewo diaspora so no a get in touch of the show jeti eba sanso na urhwemu YouTube ono a ehon so no Okoman radio 971 subscribe na ene adoma no so de ato all na bibia so no etumi akoso kama bia etumi aye fine DJs gibi ana ene no obwa ama the live streaming of the Okoman Global Sports morning edition no enso etumi akonkan manwoma so no etumi aye kama ne no ne djuma ekonkan papa DJs gibi obon homoden or perform so excellent enso esin Kotoku Royals modern ball ewo Bet Power Premier League ni mu na chese zigibi ono so ne modern ball no okonkan pa amanwoma so no ekonkan ye betia tomni ahwe association football ne yeremu a ye behwemu enso ewo Europe ne yahwe other leagues games bia etumi ekọ so in the midweek ne de nyina so etumi aba urhwemu ewo La Liga Santander in the game back to me echo so it was an outstanding game in between Real Madrid and so any Elche and this game no to me abo boss so and drata enyumre 8 p.m. sharp and in this game no and so to me echo so ewo Estadio Santiago Bernabeu Real Madrid krumo 90 minutes of soccer fiesta Real Madrid eshekano porpore and 9 ama Elche into me ensimu aje abrantia friend Marco Asensio to me ebogo Karim Mustafa Benzema 2 penalty goals on so to me eboy manioma konkan ne fedu the good old Luka Modric and so ede back we can one or still a victory no and so edema Real Madrid and so home new man so no etumi konkan so na big game pa we know na a table of the Titans and I want to him say niama ebetumi akonkan ediama Arsenal the Gunners the league leaders followed by na second place team they from Manchester City and na want etosumi international crash we know na no dim papa and etumi ekọ so and so our Emirates Stadium and as game we know etumi ekọ so 90 minutes no ye de eba na Anthony Taylor and so HS or the Association Football FIFA mrano ye juma dia na HS hu nso behia so de ne whistle no on so betuma bobena game letumi abane ne ba ne wie no na chese Manchester City the defending league champions no enso etumi ashe league leaders no enso economy ensan ama womo atimu baako ama nyoma etumi akonka branch friend no early Brotaland etumi ebogo Jagrelish enso ebogo ana ne KDB Kevin De Bruyne enso de baako eka homa ne 3 goals no womo so etumi enya Bukayo Saka enya penalty consolation enso edebo Arsenal the Gunners manyoma so no etumi ekonka ma bibia so no etumi aye fine el hormone nam so ama ne Manchester City and so a movie apart of Manchester and as a team friend Arsenal the Gunners 51 points and one more ekuta followed by Arsenal the Gunners 51 points ne momo Arsenal the Gunners and so our outstanding gamer on so betumi abo o winia no san so frustro and so 3 points clear no the call but see the points no one so share man nyoma etumi akonkan 51 and one so e de call e wosro a ye hwe nim senala season no and so betumi akowe na game ne ba ne wie no pani a ene no ndie frɛ no Mikel Arteta and so the same kakre to me to go for game and draw that one so elusive to Manchester City no home.
Only difficult to play at the level that they require you to play to have the chance to win, and I think we've done it, and in many moments we had them, but if you give 3 goals away the way we did, just give them the game.
Winnie and Sema Mikel Arteta manager and so to my Arsenal the Gunners no and so to me to go for team ni modern bonina one so to me Danidi and Drada against Manchester City no church say baby as say Arsenal abuild die do no na Endra wo mo hwe ni mu say expectation no na so high to extend that say wo mo to me share Manchester City and also ne kakra to me e so e ho ne mo modern bonite e ya ne santi wo mo hwe akon mo ni manu ma to me akon so the update and so eba erefa Ghanaian born international Thomas Partey injury situation and brother went to me in Sia Canandra Giorgio Frello on also any granite shaka wo mu kire say niama to me emfa ema nioma enkon kanti Thomas Partey ne updating in so no Mikel Arteta and so dey ho nsema tuga.
Affect the team is what happens. It's part of football. No excuses. I think Georgie played a really good game, and I would have to assess Tommy to see how bad it is.
How late did that become the case?
Very late, very late.
We and so any and Sema Mikel Arteta the two guys who Thomas Partey ni don't to me nkyere nemu no ebetumi aye late pa openi no betumi abana ni o man so etumi akonkan ne nsem kakra ono so Ediba Joseph Pep Guardiola manager and so Edema team from Manchester City wo mo kwa away ekonya emphatic sweet victory and so over Arsenal the Gunners man no first spot no wo mo so etumi take on the league log or the nsem kakra to go for team no generally wo mo performance and drata and so Emirates.
A few weeks ago, maybe with 8-9 points behind with the game left, losing here will be almost over. And now for the fact that they drop points, we came here for the chance to be close. We won the game, and yeah, we are there.
Pep Guardiola and the two guys a few weeks ago na 8 to 9 points and Arsenal the chiwo mumba say no masa ya tia tom manu man so etumi akonkan ti o se ojugu bye wo musu guso e drop points neti won so City nso betumi and drop points say no wo mo hwa manu ma etumi akonkan early brought talent e poko amanu ma akonkan openi nso no e describe ono a ne striker no kakra.
A lot because against men to them and being so aggressive, just your man frees the keeper. And of course, his long balls against Saliba Gabriel is not easy. He used his power to win that balls, to make a runners afterwards. So, and that's why we won the game.
Enti enono and some kakra two ga efa Ellen Brotal and striker no so ho ene ne modern ball no so e boy de match City no yewremu e wa UEFA Champions League ne ye konkɔhwɛ results awodo a eno so etumi eto dwandra ne ye complete this week you know first leg of the games you know ye complete first 8 teams are wo so etumi e boy in this week you know ye complete ma bibia so no etumi e konkan kama na ndra wremu e the various centers are games you know etumi eto dwa ye be hyase e de fi Belgium e ho e Jean Breda Stadion and our bridge Chrome or Belgium and a game kese back to me etoja Benfica from a Portugal and so a Burimo Belgium one more dia kinsi to me equashare so come out so a gun near brand here a dream we see a camera no man so and to me and concan farm club you're from club with my Benfica to share almost so a poor mechanic menua one more to me and sim adia brand friend or Joao Mario Sabrante we not yet talented papa in the name Inter Milan dia say I said but at Branteno as I'm so returning obeduma manuama so no and so e konkan so na Branteno ba kwa your friend David Neres and so etumi abogo and so manuama etumi konkan omunya 2 goals no and so edema Benfica 2 away victory one so e call in the first leg and no man so no e konkan e ho edema on big game no ba so e was Signal Iduna Park and so e was Dortmund Krum wo Germany and as a game no etumi e call so na Branteno your friend no Karim Adeyemi and so etumi enya 1 goal and so edema Dortmund ma wo mu wini by a goal to 0. And so honoma Chelsea entumi ensimu agenti Karim Adeyemi Nigerian born no ana ne waba be yes answer cry na manuoma so no etumi akonkan Chelsea entumi ensimu ageri ne first leg and so etumi eba so homa manuoma so no etumi ekonkan na branch ono so etumi enya go no edema ene domo no ye frɛ no Karim Adeyemi ono so eden sem kakra and so etumi etugo fa said manuoma so no esi ekoi a odinya sa particular go yentie nsem a abofra no so etumi ede etuga oya abofra kra
African food, but I have good genetics for my dad, so I think it's a little bit difficult for you to get fast.
Yeah, I know I have some trouble. What's the African food called so I can look it up?
It's called fufu.
What's it called?
Fufu.
Fufu?
Yes.
From where is that?
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yes.
Okay, I'll look up some fufu to start eating.
It's also very good.
Okay.
The only thing was to get past the defender, and at the end I just have to run to try to get past him. And after I just look at the goalkeeper, and at the end the goal was free, and I just kicked the ball in.
Karim Adeyemi ana ne reporter ebisa ni se masa u speed no u pace no anodim papa peduane bempa na wudi na misumi ndibi na mintumi tumrika se no so eye fufu a ne papa de fufu nko ana na ubepiem wa Nigeria odi nti fufu ano no so pepa jiresa branche etume di fufu de aba be hye Chelsea obi di fufu ani mu dudu sei etumi di ahye Chelsea na je se nyoma nkonkan nti akoda no so kire duane a next time Chelsea players ro pese won hye Dortmund di fufu Nigeria fufu enere nsem opani no etumi edi two ga na je se no so the other side Efri Karim Adeyemi the goal scorer enso Edema Dortmund enso against Chelsea no ono so etumi edi two ga Graham Potter Billy Graham in world football enso edi nsem kakra two ga for Chelsea performance a wo muda ni di endra no.
Yeah, it's a poor goal, as I said. I mean, we have to do better. We were pushing at the time, and the better team. So to concede in that manner is what we're disappointed in. But they're honest. The players are honest. They know they can do better with that, and we have to help them, of course. And but again, we probably focus on the positive, which was the performance was another step forward for us. And before the game, you're looking at Reece and Ruben and Ben Chilwell and Kalidou. You know, it's their first and second game for quite some time. It isn't easy to pick up the speed of the Champions League, but I thought they managed it really well. You've still got 3 new players coming in, and again playing against a team that's in a good moment. So hopefully, I think we'll improve, and then in 3 weeks' time we can take the game at Stamford Bridge.
And on some kakra so Graham Potter the Billy Graham in world football and say to me at the etu gama nyoma so no etumi ekonka say pa solo paradise romantic voice no wa ba be piemu ewe fidie mu aje say guys oban so nsapan bread ye koba ni adi nyina abrante ibai we tumi afahwe so amba enti ano so no enti ye be komuna nyoma so no etumi akonkan ekakra ye de ho sem ni nyina enso ete panti ni nso no resource outopia etumi epiemu a nyoma so no ekonkan na okoko hwemu enso ewo players a wo morning ball enso ekonkan yi pa first week in the Champions League, you know, players a wo morning ball konkan pa no mpanifo edi wo mo aba na chese player of the week, you know, wo mo so etumi edi aba wa nyoma ekonkan nti eda ene Facebook to aba Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 sanso ana YouTube na Okoman Radio 971 udura wa subscribe kama na bipianso etumi aye kama nti uba be hwemu a players a wo body boy konkan pa na brabe to aba ema player Tuesday and Wednesday ni nyina games a wodo no player ne morning boy konkan pa beto aba efama no Rafael Leao esi academy association Casio de Milan AC Milan wo mo eboaye ama wo mu dinkunim enso over Tottenham Hotspur enso danu Tuesday sanso ana Kelvin Amponsah esi academy Bayern Munich wo mu kopiem wo Paris enso enya 1-0 emphatic victory womo de ba enso ekwa kopiem ono so nya de only goal ede ema ene Bayern Munich enti Kelvin Amponsah enso ehwo uhwemu endrada games etume course wukwada no se netie Karim Adeyemi a osi fufu nkwa Nigeria fufu ana otumi di yodumi di share Chelsea no ono nso ewum ehwo enti to aba no na fama wo mo na nyoma enkonkan bright ba kwa ye friend no Osnes osi akendema Benfica ndra ne modembo ekonkan papa enso ehwo nti we ni players awoto a ye nso no ye de ehwo nsem no nyina no enso ede ye pa ma nyoma nso no etumi akonkan ye nwremu ne ye hwe ene UEFA Europa League no matches awoto a eno nso ebetumi atodwa na mpanifo bia yo bi D-Day no na D-Day no enunie. This is the day that the Lord has made. This is the day that the Lord has made. Intino yendie yewum agenda yen baby ebeko bia be kumunifo ba wa be lose no wona ho betumi ache upa ma ne enioma betumi akonkan enti ebehwremu ewo nkoda mu ne ye dia company fo mu a na chese ascending to descending na bibia so etumi akonkan enso eho UEFA Conference League Enti we no zigi obema me conference league no fe no mami na yen hwese de nyoma nso no ebetumi akonkan na nanwumre uhwemu a 5:45 pm enso ewo enei Ampera Stadion ewo Bodo eno no eye Norway krom wo Bodo Glimt ewe kame Lich portion no awom nso efri eni no Amanfo so a wo ma ba be rom na chese check na nyoma nso etumi akonkan game no eba so early kick off 5:45 anasa game no ebetumi akoso sanso na uhwemu enso ewo Portugal Estadio Municipal di Braga eno ewe Braga krom wo Portugal Braga enso eni Fiorentina wo free Italy ana this game we no enso ebetumi ahihye so manoma nso no etumi akonkan sanso ana Azasen Arena eno ewo Baku krom wo eho ana Karabakh enso eni Genta wo fi Belgium ana dia kesi no enso eba be hihye so manoma nso no etumi akonkan na ohwemu ewo Turkey Municipal Park Stadion eno ewo Trabzon krom wo eho ana Trabzonspor wo mo eni FC Basel ana this game we no enso ebetumi ahihye so we conference league awodo no ana ye de ho fixtures ni nyina enso etuga AEK Arena eno ewo Laneka krom wo AEK Laneka enso eni Dnipro wo mo every Ukraine ana de akesi no enso ebetumi ahihye so na obehwemu ewo Italy eno eye Stadio Olimpico ewo Rome krom wo ana sa game we no ebetumi akoso SSC Lazio enso eni CRR Cluj ene this game no eba be hihye so manoma nso no etumi akonkan sanso na ohwemu enso ewo Hopi Farmer Eneno Arena eno ewo Rajghat neche se Ludogorets Rajghat enso ene Antalya ana this game no enso ebetumi ahihye so ewo enenwumre game no eba so 8 pm sharp ana yete ho 7 ni nyina no enso eba na ohwemu a Sheriff Tiraspol womo nso no ewe kame ene team a ye from Partizan Belgrade no de sa game no etumi aba so ewo Stadionel Sheriff enso ewo Tiraspol krumo ana sa game no enso ebetumi aba so nti we ni games out a eno so ebetumi atodwa ewo UEFA Conference League no ene nwumra ye de ni nyina enso etumi ede atugwa na ye behwemu enso ewo UEFA Europa League no uhwemu ewo Johan Cruyff Arena Ajax Amsterdam Mohamed Kudus today fiaton said dia free Union Berlin wo mo free Germany no de sa game no etumi ahihye so early kick off 5:45 pm ana sa game we no enso ebetumi ede abaso ewo hono na FC Barcelona womo etna Spotify di company womo tie nyom free Man United fo ikoi womo nso ka akotwi free wifi na womo sanso abo nyom free ewo Spotify o enso na manioma etumi akonkan ti Barcelona eton said dia from Manchester United amasa game no enso etumi abaso na game we mu na mpanifo awodo na atoto womo na atutu yentie ene the travelers the visitors Manchester United womo coach Eric Kwabena Ten Hag yentie nsem odi tugwa enso efa ne game a no any Barcelona team no said their name was steady one and said their one more.
I think Barca is also a very difficult club, and I think Barcelona in this moment is playing its best football since several years. But I think it's in the mind of and the inspiration of Johan Cruyff. Still, you feel it here, and you can see if you see the game of Barcelona, you see the way of play. And that is the inspiration of Johan Cruyff.
Eric Kwabena Ten Hag no den sem kakra tumi atugwa say oh Barcelona masa say odo ni o man shedan koye in recent years but say no modern mo wo mo bo wo hwe wo mo style of play na Johan Cruyff there na eni ode buy enu bia na wo mugusu bo nti ono nso no ete ase ono na nkasa na Amsterdam wo Cruyff Arena ho ehwo ankasa no free nti ono no ye born and bred Cruyff nti na Manchester wo mo ba nti Spotify ho ebe wuru papa say wo bo Johan Cruyff a me ne de me ye Johan Cruyff nti me na me and on nsem kakra pani no edia to go anyesa no kan kra yesa no kan nti no so no Xavi Hernandez manager and so edema the Spotify the company the Blaugranes or the nsem kakra and so to go.
United, in my opinion, is a big club in Europe. Of course, they are not in the best moment of their history, but they are Manchester United. We respect them a lot. We respect Ten Hag, all the players. Now they are in a very good moment. They are positive, good results in the last weeks. So very difficult. We respect a lot them. Even we are in Europa League, but we respect them a lot. It will be really tough and really difficult to beat them.
eno ne nsem so Xavi Hernandez said etu go enije pe na menye yosuru enije pe na menye yosuru ahoto aha mponi na esuru we eno ne nsem kakra Rafinha enso etumi adi tu go say hey Manchester United me no wo po premiership ni mu na aha wo mo ba ansana yakwa ase wo yenti Rafinha.
This match, it's gonna be like a Champions League final, an incredible match with two incredible squads. It's gonna be one of the best games of the season, but of course it's gonna be really tough. We know it and we have to continue at our great level. You cannot be calm at any moment. We have to know the moment that we are experiencing. We are in a great moment in La Liga. We won the Super Cup.
Yes, Masa, akwanu kikani omegum osi Masa, sese no enu konkan pop UEFA Champions League finals. Adi your more brother inti saa no beka so more brother inti Europa no hunu konkru o more brother inti no ndo say Champions League finals ana ne wo mudi share Manchester United inti Rashford no mo ba wo mudi wo so bo Europa no Rafinha say yanka njem say wo mo Champions League na nei wo mbo abebo na nwumre ene nsem Akropong no enso etumi ade atuga ye de etu ye tiefu enim enso ewo kemba kwa eno so betumi abaso no ne Shakhtar Donetsk enso ewo Warsaw wo mo ewe kame Stade Rennais wo mo every France na wo de sa game no enso etumi abaso RB Salzburg wo mo so ne AS Roma na di game no betumi ahyehyɛ so ewo Red Bull Arena ewo Austria ana sa game no enso betumi abaso ewo sanso na uhremu a enso ewo Germany a big game back pa enso betumi atojo Bay Arena eno ye Bayer for Leverkusen womo so ne AS Monaco womo free France ne betumi dia kense na tumi ahyehyɛ so enso elho sanso na uhremu ewo Allianz Stadium a eno eye Turin kromo Juventus ton said their friend Nantes bibia Juventus ababe ewurade anya hwekra de Man U de on live away na gbo on Barcelona Barca sanso ne Man U now the 90s there na chese mfa sanso na Sevilla Ramos Sanchez Pejman womo eton said their friend Philip Sporting and Dofan womo so no every date ana womo so e ba be hwemu ama nneoma etumi akonkan a yete ho sem ni nyina enso ede e ba na big game ba konso no ebetodwa ewo Estadio Jose Alvalade eno no ewo Lisboa ehwa na game no ebetumi aba so Sporting CP womo eton said their friend Midtjylland na sa game no so etumi aba so any games awodo a eno so ebetumi atotodwa Conference League UEFA Europa League ana yedi ni nyina enso etumi aba betugwa ana bema kwan ama yeti amonani nsem a yebobo anu tew edi ebrɛ ene Thursday enso elho Thursday na unse Champions League na boa yem papa inte ne bibia twem vows dey dengo bibia twem say Madam Sophia Akuffo ni nsem no kana ne yene ne ya adwen bijemu tiama yeke na dwumedi awodo na enso etumi ato aso ewo fidie mu from now on till 12 yetem ama ne oma etumi akonkan. Stay tuned.
Okoman Radio.
Because we're so busy giving nightmares to our rival teams. They lay awake because they know we will rip them
Okoman Radio.
And the Reds go marching on.
Okoman Radio.
Glory, Man United. Glory, Man United. Glory, Man United. And the Reds go marching on.
Okoman Radio.
But there's something we don't need. For international talent, Manchester will take the lead.
Okay, na just na numere Ukopiem wa Stadio di Camp Nou yes Manchester United and they kwa akoto Barcelona na Europa League no anwa no bia be ball na just say I come next season mu gira mu bo abede e bi kura mo conference di ni nyina na next season abede pa and na obi gatru bi say anjua na one but ai champions Europa ga we fi mo say me da 9 na that time and then 5:45 started Camp Nou na FC Barcelona and Manchester United sa game ne be di mu nkobon baransa na no yembe di anra nkomo Chelsea Kopiem was signal Iduna against Borussia Dortmund amfa amane no abrantia ni de Karim adeyemi pa na dem there's an anram fakura amfa ma mi team Chelsea mi team Chelsea Enzo Fernandez indeed. Me pay Chelsea pa. Me 2 players in time that so me pay Chelsea asem. Abrante and the Thiago Silva and Enzo Fernandez. Thiago Silva the personality no yi officials e na personality no. Me monitor na the days at AC Milan ya dey nyina ebenya na me pay. Only player time ofi AC Milan and beso Barcelona Krobia. Time ofi AC Milan no. Because the players are not born under them. Uche Pablo Nestamo and they are no soon idea from one. And you was all born and see. Soon idea pa and me penasem papa. Aside everything, we penasem personality no. Turning count social media as well now. Say I get it in. I don't know why I'm talking the man on Tino. I don't know. Enzo Fernandez the fanboy. It's me penasem unborn no so boba denra. Ufu children is ampa. Born by American we found partner is at Nakasa. And I'm farmer Chelsea, it might be Dimun Como. But Crobia was Sanson Austin were Pasolo Paradise and so at Nasia, the Bedimu and Como and Numeri and Niomo, Barcelona, me said net 2-0. Barcelona 2, Manchester United 0. You almost said first 5 minutes, almost many about you best 4. T. Mumra Moase 2 Ungofi. You almost said first 5 minutes. But counter. I don't know Marcus Rashford defend any ball counter. You see me say children your friend back. Bassa defense line, yeah, back. Balde, Arejo, Christiansen, and I feel Kunde. Back. See why you get 4-0. No, I don't know. Austin, BBI come on. What's your name? Say I'm Tom Found. You might go for no. What do you know? Yeah. I better the other side. I'm fire on that. Austin, BBI fine.
Okay, I'm going to be able to
Ishiache.
Ishiache.
Yeah, come on. Remember me, Enra. We sure about Chelsea. Enra Chelsea and fat against Borussia Dortmund away. Na evening come ever to an game no so.
Also I hear ni penny mama me team. Chelsea na gasa hwe me ye bo me ho.
Woni
me Chelsea ni pa.
Woni.
Okay. You be hear Chelsea team na. Oma America ni to team a. De ohunu no.
Sesen.
America for to team a almost omo manage rugby almost say enye football bi no mo ye na Chelsea yes Chelsea no te soro kra wo sare I say Philip Platt bi say aso no entertainment na ball no mo bo no ene NFL nye score line no we have Manchester United America for na win Manchester United player bia Manchester United ka so mo pe bia o munyan o mo di Ibrahimovic buy Lukaku buy Alexis Sanchez buy Kofa Rafael Varane crab a can but Manchester United still born on the mba Poba Munina by Di Maria Munina by Manchester nya bono nya qualify for top 4 say Kim and so waje leg no Champions League no sa na Chelsea to Chelsea and the Chelsea o na ma Chelsea ya more league ni qualify for top 4 keke Chelsea fans ni any budget be almost say Chelsea asi ya de bia ma ba Chelsea any position no Chelsea Borussia Dortmund. We're starting la knife now. Untumi nka nche me say, oh bo Enzo Fernandez, boss to boss midfielder. No abo lift cheek say on kan ho.
I hear me problem no. Na lift cheek grab me hunu o game no mo. I'm my first half now I'm over no. Na one ye na fi ye lift cheek. I say o kan ho. I say
na me starting la me say lift cheek. No mo obo aseden holding midfielder na aseden.
Offensive midfielder.
Ono akwa no be ball player o. Onye football player the trend structure the class me na ka me say blame to ball America but me the blame ni na ma Chelsea management no enough is enough coach no mo pam no say Abramovich coach about last 14 matches we win 2 pe coach about last 14 matches we win 2 Abramovich ankara so te wo eke nki apam wo dada nti Chelsea for person mo ye bibia say Chelsea for person mo improve players in the best in America Manchester to players in ama but still Manchester any Manchester on my yard they are second until you say Mourinho the Manchester be the second and any no because they are proud or they must have Europa because Manchester United baby are not more Ferguson jaw no omo nyehwe omkofa coaches bebre ba ansa na ebidu Mourinho so the Mourinho ba no dey be the second and say why yard ama and say why Europa ama to yard ama fine Mourinho yard Manchester United Chelsea team ni kura no enye team abeka say Chelsea boyru Europa say na start crack can say next season ebeyere yebe nkofo bo Europa fine yebe tu nkofo bo Europa and the Chelsea qualify crowd bo Europa crowd iti ebede ekebede
the way crowd
obeko easy akọ hwan me say Dortmund ba san ba be say Chelsea e home o bobo o ni Messi man at bench fine uni strike o bo or no striker o bo Calvert wasan bo Ziyech aka Calvert ho omumienu nyom ho nyade Ziyech apart from see to ball no wasan on take
World Cup semi-finalists.
Oh. World Cup ye by it the anko bi tidi ku bi anka ze nko munno. World Cup ni omom ko semi-final. Omo ba bi anka nkofo bi no. Ball na ye ball na Ziyech bon. Wan to ball na wan pass ya wasa. Ono a on take. Onya ball na obedrive be kem. Ba onya o start Messi Manta. Calvert no speed. Calvert o cutting man pe e go. Inti ye kofa Twumhene na buy o cutting man Calvert abon say go aba. We Champions League final no mo boy no. Twumhene na ye pass na Calvert do o twen na wa she go no. Inti Chelsea owners the problem ni coach. Coach akọ sign obi a mate omo sign obi a o dey say brain winner den bi ama no say den. Yen san ma den bi mentality coach.
As a coach na you
oh yes nipa na ekwa sign no kwa nipa na ekwa sign no kwa Robbie or den Robbie den yo Robbie for you me say we ka photo team a I ka photo team a dem put am the team ni yo omo entertainment na ya say ye business but ukra nja me ka say Abramovich English for anya ade
asna na the owners so
ona na mo Chelsea ona na mo Chelsea kra me yema sa Abramovich tewa ebe ne ya because Abramovich ede 2 decades abo black Manchester United and Liverpool 10 years no trophy chi omu nyina Abramovich o hwe impact of the match Chelsea opamo so benya resource yakofa Thomas Tuchel by ni o Lampard Thomas Tuchel ba no wabo Champions League final Tuchel ba no wa leg Thomas Tuchel no kra Mbappe any Neymar otumi manage sa two players in abom o se won pe no any time Thomas Tuchel kon na Chelsea that 5th or 4th and the Chelsea that send o se yama hwan Porter ye ka Porter obi onwena de dey coach Chelsea Porter dey ontumi coach Chelsea the fattest and the level no ono man Everton man Aston Villa
was it Porter I dey was it the dinner there
Porter no was ye ka obi Porter obi onwena de obi a ase watete net ya ma no what dey anwene bi
obi modi Chelsea for from
okay modi be na dey ba kwa ese me kra say o mo say ye man abrote na like or be the team ye wa abotre bi anke de Lampard bo team no enim team nim kra chen Porter ba ye pamon when enim team nim chen Frank Lampard wa ye training wo hoda wa didi wo hoda wa bobo wo hoda but still ye pamon nti Graham Porter de say ma say coach ni mo na say on pan wa penalty team
ona ne ono no jinjina twan yo obi one na kodi na so just 5 years
we Chelsea ni a so sapo nso ni sign Ronaldo ni sign Messi kan kra I have a relegation coach wabon enye players a obenya bebre enye players a befto ni bebre coach wabon coach a oba uni u past Tuchel oba ni apam no ba no past no abolegaje no Champions League wako final tama yakofa George Klopp free Dortmund aba no o do not feed him ba no about Champions League final no waje league o ma Bayern Munich competitive bi a utumi say nko de Lewandowski be share 4 goals against Real Madrid inti coach a woni past coach a oni tactics yes na no obo nsem
motivation
did I you crable coach ne here
Ram and Manchester United I Barcelona and Manchester United
a big game by Miraho Kasa game with the Champions League asembi na aba nka Thursday match and Thursday dey fan hwebo Thursday why EPL Sunday Saturday we anya record on Friday abahwe Saturday abo Sunday ya the Tuesday and Wednesday account Thursday faje wa home ya de ko hebo ba se meeting aba no ntina Rafael Casano and say Champions League final like who be da Manchester never say Okobo tournament be who by revis Europe no Mokobono. But idea about Manchester and to say Oba Europa. Tima Barcelona 2 minutes pa Manchester United. Tima Barcelona 2 minutes pa I say Bayern Munich and Barcelona. Bayern Munich we share Barcelona we him for kora or the bemano. Tima man Barca 2 minutes pa on my last 10 matches. Barca win 6. Man you win 2 pe and a 2 I draw. Into Barcelona there we share Manchester in 2012 Champions League final. Pep Guardiola we coaching. As some kind of 2011. I know been a weekend. Xavi can. Manchester a big team. Manchester a say. Manchester a respect. Or maybe an AC Park and so on. Show. Current form the Manchester or form, but Barcelona so form. It's born in the Barcelona win.
Okay, Barcelona win. I know Austin and now Ofake, Eddie Abaze, I'm Ofake. AK, watching you live inside Tishi. Have you already have no? The other cover, you and easy as some crown or the message and all the abrevo. Then you should give us a break in this country for probably. Okay, as my regards to the incoming president, Honorable Dr. Efri Yakutu, the former Greek minister. He deserves all. No, I don't know. Miguel Sterling, I say, keep up or keep doing your good works, AK. More fire. And here Miguel Sterling. Miguel, baby, I will be on a pay. Mami Chia Papa. Only Junior Jesus. Chia Papa. Sebe. I say, watching the show live from Gospel Oak Barbering Shop inside Amokonkumasi. Better luck next time to Arsenal. Zenra Arsenal and also I am a messenger or the above. Isaac of Fair and Son or see United forever. Love, more fire. As I also need or the above. Kobia, we're more Champions League now. But Arsenal issue no kaka.
Arsenal say
Barcelona Europe or the Europe and so.
Arsenal for no from 220 and no one way to couple. Na mamen kanchre me Chelsea faithful so no say o papa te ase na dia oyema wo nyina na o papa ehwe wiye na isane say o papa te ase na o feel say o papa wo sika o papa hwe wiye ntinu wankasa ne de umpe bribi ma ho say ye wo ankasa wo de na emom no wo de wani ato o papa ejapade ne nniama waye so say o chine bi oni wa o benya that advantage into wankasa de wonye den on build o ho. Another thing nso ye say bra ona erehwe wo no titi wuye na hu say biribi bedu ona ne ubeden ubelusi no because in the normal sense e was on pahini anya den enwu ansa na abofrewu so what you say nti dachi bia o maami bi na o maami wu a o step mother ana de obedi maami ade obi bia o ka kwotena ne nchen no abrabo ne be den sa nyoma we nyina wo ha o maami te ase papa te ase e say wu ha wa in the absence of sankrof we no how I will be to ya den ejina eno na say Chelsea for no am prepare for na e won say we ase na won wo beto 100 years ago no won manya Abramovich no ono so betena wa ama team na performing at that level at say ebe den ebe ko ewie enya sa net da club bia ni wa enjoy sa de ntino teams a papa na won ankasa sisu wo wi ase na ankasa no me so ami yi Real Madrid a ogusu ye relevant Barcelona nkan even Manchester United kura nkan Juventus no mu kura nkan wo ra yitira Juventus nkan teams na wo mo share obra na se bo obra pan sa abra na Champions League no ye friend UEFA European Cup ne sa ni o ma no teams na nkasa na wo ho no say wo wen me so mi Real Madrid ogusu ye relevant no won aka ni nyina ye nga ye ni sa what you say intino sa net sa abrabo no bribia hu the way forward asimesi a ohwe mi oniwa ye be ne den you should be adapt to the beba bia enye sa nti se na udi mo 10 cedis hu se o ma mi ni wo bia ne aka kwotena ne nchen na 5 cedis na obedi start sunya se ne a we nye aduan 10 cedis ndi na odi 5 cedis a obe men eno ano no okay Mauricio Sarri na ene yo den sem kakra tumi atuga se every day coach every day, manager every day, trainer every day, owner pam coach na ye. I know say players a BJ 100 million a year. And sanka onim say anka managers and edge 100 million anka players edge 100,000 anka onim say the anka football fans ebe act yafa. And me share in interview na me say yes, very deep. Unimu di okachire yen say it has gotten to a point, it has gotten to a time clubs club owners any even players ni bina they should also be ready to suffer an exit then leaving managers at their post. And baby no ekeme ne ya adwene team bi wo pa if young supporters here ne papa your friend Mauricio Sarri coach e de Lazio ene yen eto sa asem media ma yen yetumi say coach yi de oya de na say sa lose we pa de enye coach fault e players fault utumi say players ni bi consistently womo modern boy eden enkon kan ba womo sika womo je no endu even coaches sika indu quarter of their womo je it was anka dynamics no esesana anka coaches mumba beje sa na anka players ni mumba beje $100,000 instead of 100 million na bia anka yetua coaches mum sika much more than players are anka no mum na anka hwehwe how anka ni yebebo coaches sombo because any other mistake from a single player bia no error bia no rather no yede fa coach aso ye nti se ne e wo se team bi wini no wini a coach owo ho no ebenya ne fa hudi ato akoso aye na ejuma e wo se team bi wini na on lift up trophy na supporters hu se team na ya ade coach ni nso aya ade a ye de penalty ba beto wo mu se team yi nyina group ni nyina ate say we no ye the best penalty taker wakwa akobo ato achine wo mu lose trophy no wo mu se coach we ntuma anje trophy ko every day be a Ghana minkai players ayen etumi enya me amfa your own Black Stars enye ejuma coaches aba coaches even yetumi nya trainers ni ade a wo mo kra de na wo mo nka hwe kra mpo ebe ne na Black Stars ni ade ma wo mo koje ejuma e wo other countries e de won ko win trophy yet still yeguso bre and who say sometimes individual players no errors no do so individual players no are not giving up their best into the shelter womo represent no and then no ho asem na Mauricio Sarri eken and me ne ya adwen edu baby a Manchester United ye esesa nneomamu Paul Abile Pogba oba nyina wamboa e wo so nko some of the players ni nyina womo amboa nyina na wo se womo nko sauti ase na enenu new coach aba no hu players ono na fe so betumi ne womo ayedwuma no ne womo nye edwuma no matter capacity and how pedigree u cry ye be bench we say ye bench na munye ejuma because now players ni bebre etumi de eneno coaches elusi wo mu ejuma where asa ejuma na nkasa on the day 90 minutes on the field of play nia wo say players no enfambra no wo mo mfamba but end results no na ye de enibraka ko wia managers so ye no sam kakra Mauricio Sarri so de aba betuga say it has gotten to a point where say player enya the player say chances are yentumi criticize the player no ye pam na say team ni pam na yetumi pam no na eniomo ekon kan say de betuma pam manager na yen sa equal enfama players no men ne ya adwen 100% because always be anu ye with teams bia especially Black Stars players ni bia sapa and they say wo nya bi bo na so no obey ne den na sa na akwakoye UEFA Champions League and na openia your friend Graham Potter eba be so Chelsea ejuma nim no obai na aka 4 matches o win 4 matches ni nyina with 100% winning rate when lose a single game na a very difficult moment, very difficult time for Thomas Tuchel and then Chelsea say able to qualify even from the group stages. And that time now share the form of AC Milan, even Salzburg and Zagreb Ukraina one more sharing in the first leg na. Then that's why then asa 2 games na Chelsea equita 1 point. Then that's why asa AC Milan form no na no den Zagreb na no den. But openini buy no that Cinderella moment every manager be about team na wetumi enjoy e be a short e be a medium e be a long term na e be nso etumi a carry on the ejuma na koso no I think say no opening need to me nyan at that early stage as Chelsea are Otumidi Bo Ejuma ama yinya qualification no. From then a new man ko ye injuries upon injuries. Players what one be say Ejuma ni nyina. One make a case in the team no. Dodo na echo injury. Ama new man to me and Konkan fan Graham Potter. And which you know no any inexperience and some of need decisions be our take embo team na to date. When ya another window, transfer window ono na nso betumi dey den atop players or feel say wo mo betumi aboa, wo mo betumi abo no ne system no, wo mo bete na se na ode wo mo ayejuma. These players mpanifo etumi edi aman. Now round of 16 etumi ashase in the Champions League ni enim say onya when a very good run in the Champions League. EPM was Signa Iduna and we made it clear and I predicted Borussia Dortmund win by 2-1. It win in the to me by but 2 goals next woman Chelsea is to me consolation. So it was a game I me in the Champions League. Game Samache Dortmund Ebo was Signa Iduna. Team Sakako PM wo enye any other team and obeko Dortmund akwa pick up a point in Bodiaba. But I come here say football fans no ya na yen refi nyoma kakra. Signa Iduna Park and ye kan ho asem no. Entina obvious.
The intimidation.
Yes. Not even Real Madrid, not even Barcelona, not even team my friend of Bayern Munchen. Intino one so history in the Champions League when it comes to one home ground. Ube you ube to me you but one home ground no, it takes exceptional top class and lack for any other away team. Lack top performance from any away team and so way to me akwa pick up a point and as when you the all the we know now way to me Eddie free Signa Iduna. It doesn't take any mere players with some inexperience in the tournament and one more tournament into one who it doesn't take manager the first time ever in the coaching career for no Champions League. It doesn't take them. It doesn't take an away fans. One moon to me 81,000 capacity full up. It doesn't take an away end that we kita 30% of supporters they akwa ko room and they ko pick up a point. It was Signa Iduna unless wa unim.
And then man you 81,000 99,000.
The funny thing is about soon bomb how I will
it's one of the venues are so intimidating. European terrain. Untumi nkan Johan Cruyff Arena, Benfica, any Camp Nou, Stadio de Camp Nou, also another home venue.
Vodacom Arena.
Yes.
Istanbul.
Besiktas. Inji Signa Iduna Enfen Free Muda. Enye Old Trafford. Enye Allianz Stadium. Enye Allianz Arena. Enye Paris. And enye Stamford Bridge. Not even Estadio Santiago Bernabeu because even Real Madrid in their history no, most of them antics in them to me koye no away. Na womo ba fie mo ma womo ba lusu. Check womo performance last season wa bra na womo yes emphatic win. It was away performance. Womo history nankasa so even Estadio Santiago Bernabeu are not even counted amongst the best. Home venue no womu to me dinya better results than Signa Iduna ne Vodacom ne that of Camp Nou. So it was a area na Chelsea equal, all things being equal with players available, manager or fans are equal bibiano. That is why I may consider Nina not on the 90 minutes 11 players aside airball and I made the predict to say Juventus Chelsea. All being equal, they would have to win and then rather womunya that victory no. But one thing, I may call that particular game, even at the other side, no mean say Chelsea a year no year. Performance on the day I want to die no na performance power and drive. It was a game. Chelsea should have been up by 5 goals. 5 solid goals. All the chances. Shot on target, dangerous attacks, everything. They were all over the place. A dominating play. But the free movie na kodani so koye do kodi fufu ne papa no di fi Nigeria. Karim Adeyemi na and dra ni fufuo no ye adwuma and Karim Adeyemi no ukọ since a movie from RB Salzburg Austria ba be PM or Dortmund no he is the fastest player in the Bundesliga. He is the fastest player. And if I say even in the Chelsea team, no, Enzo Fernandez no even the fastest among Onwani colleagues, and I know. Into that ball no, Obi Abehuni say me one baby aname me blame me no ye say one Akuffo. Abrante friend no Kovacic sabo no better film. N'Golo Kante e better film.
You was the only player now watch you the match.
Only yes.
And Tama Adeyemi nya ball no untumi nkono so.
And baby cry
and baby I'm yeah another careful and say or your last man
red card straight
yes. I'll try and protect him from even coming to the box sure. Now other players I'm support it and you steady Adeyemi I can't go back and do box next and war no so
straight red another penalty
so again. For me you can't blame Enzo Fernandez
yes. For no not unze menka say me blame you ana me kire say baby a me feel say when you unze players no at that moment no the odwene no I said I would describe no maybe yes I no so dwene say oh yeah last man in the game ni nko awie it say okol red card yes oh another even opportunity so she cry now another opportunity that's another thought of the player but any other player too would also have a different thought or say then any better from the amano and no si player not of them, they will check the severity. It could be maybe in a free kick form and resulting to a yellow card. Depending on so benya born and I say odi nyabo no then say nipa no beka nipa ne dey ato. And even though they are working ya similar na Kepa. Kepa opportunity say anko betu match ball no kra ne player ni nyina nine. But then also another card offense. Again, resulting to another penalty. Unipa no short 11 men no. Again, another penalty, scoring opportunity again. So therefore, any yenja no konkoche. I think say that is another part. Me with Enzo me ne yard, but sa particular is na me hu ni say another player so anko betuma ebibia dia fa ho.
Experience of N'Golo Kante mono obetuma agiball.
Ana me say me name players be say players hu say yawo midfielders ni yawo bi no mo ha wo mo da form pa. Sa Onana boy or Everton.
Uni me wetin other form. Enzo Ojina wana na yere ball ne ba. So untumi nko but I say
Oteneno in situation be Oteneno anu say.
I say on the giant line. Ana ya boat wo anu munya chase ball na. Okodu wona probably obeda wa clear. But we odeba. And as a defender untumi nko player no so. Super.
I think that is the first way ya ono a onya or dey protect but in all enoma and it was a very good game, excellent game. And Oshe, the way Chelsea process and the Dortmund, so what the ball to Femina and then my bono. Anna, Oshe the fluidity, any skillful players are women now. Oshe Dortmund, very good, talented players, young players who with Joao Felix, with Abrante Freno, Mudrik, no more, and Rhys James, no more, Enzo Fernandez in the midfield, Emre Chan, to say prime Xavi. And drag goalkeeper Cabell, I had to say Casillas in the post. Look at the saves Abrante need to me and
for me he was
man of the match. Yeah. So later on Amiko who say Karim Adeyemi okay, scoring that important goal at that crucial moment, you know, one move to media man. But goalkeeper Cabell and Dra, he was the prime Casillas in the post. Emre Chan and Dra because me be that and Dra one more elbow game and Nina no one more support base and the venue our more any team Chelsea team one more so struggle and Kokoshia. So it was a good game and Ndra one more a deserve say one more able to mania that particular victory no and so el honomo Benfica guso continue one more sweet run Champions League no more. Look at how I want to qualify in the group stages. Teams are now one in the group. I want to me qualify, and in the round of 16, one started so well. Venue 3 solid games. I want Club Brugge, a boy, a woman feel and ya lose a single game, not even a drawn game. And I want to me ball womunya 100% excellent winning rate but Andrada Benfica penny for na akọ CZ that we ran no ma wa konya 2 goals there o de ba be piemu Lisbon there I think say enya there metumi aka ne say end for team my friend no Club Brugge so betumi aba be ye bibi Stade Dalus de etia Benfica and so so it was another performance wamutumi edane di manager Roger Smith ejuma ye with the absence of Abrante friend Enzo Fernandez in the midfield womo lone player womo de ko loan eba be kan Florentino hu in the midfield womo ye ejuma Rafa Silva ene no Abrante friend Gonzalo Ramos no womo ye ejuma no ma enoma etumi konkan Joao Mario with the experience in that number 10 row ye ejuma no ma nyoma Austin Abrante bia season 1 na womo kokoto no and so edene bai ewo hono ni modern bono konkan so I think say Benfica no mo de utu wo mo sibofo a de obeba no kra de osin de awode ne kono so wo mo ye adwuma amani wo mo konkan very excellent performance wo mo koda ne di enso ewo hono enne in the UEFA Europa League Manchester United and FC Barcelona this fixture no otibia na ye UEFA Champions League anthem emuna wotisa we no endansi and see Manchester United and Barcelona nyina no ejinemu in the UEFA Europa League awomu nyina no Asia in round of 16 and we no crampo no esanye playoff awomu elbow and to the other qualify no obekọ in the round of 16 proper we no a playoff enye Europa no akeke we need a playoff awomu bo e de akọ akopie in the round of 16 so be a very difficult game and utie said that both managers no ekasa ya womu nyina no the respect Emma the opponent no and the opposing side no and Javier ka say Manchester United a very big club and recently na new man shedan ko ye ana womu aba be piemu and so ewa ha but as we speak womu modern wa womu board domestically in the English Premiership ni there enoma konkan ye pa womu very excellent few players bia on any given day womu be to me apanisho and we describe your branch friend of Marcus Rashford for say one of the dangerous attackers will be Europe this particular season and so so on my one that maximum respect Eric Ten Hag and so Barcelona and so another big team our monsono only these few years and on a new man share that and conkind similar I don't think say if wo munyina no prepare because I decided intina me make sure say wo munyina me de wo voice a wo kafa the other team no ho ebetumi dia ba similar and wo munyina etumi describe wo opponent and it was ade ana nika ho no ye nti ne game no ebe game a ebe but Spotify the Campino venue a emu odempa it took but in last 2 seasons in young teams out do awon akọ a young ama won that respect no but wo mukoko ye adwuma Benfica ekoko ye adwuma Eintracht Frankfurt enso ekọ ye adwuma all in the name of a new company ho no mo a wo mukọ ye adwuma ekọ surprise FC Barcelona intino eno na edin even last season in the Europa League no Eintracht Frankfurt ekọ company ekonya results sanso na this season nso no saa intino Barca we share one more European competition no this time the ISA campaign no eya perform kakra one more modern ball ho no no eya perform kakra but performance a one more done domestically and on aye the judge there I think that Sisia and the Barcelona form no and they said they are minimum they having played 20 good games I consider get 7 goals across the top 5 major European leagues they are the best team in terms of defense solid pa across Europe 7 good goals intensi not intensi Barcelona intensi grant I think say the back Aobo Bono Alejandro Balde Aranta your friend Ronald Araujo Andres Christensen and that of Jules Koundé one more ebo ejuma ehonum yepa and they will do away without one more talisman one more captain Aranta friend Sergio Busquets and ya do to me are available and I'm expecting a branch friend of Frankie de Jong instead of Frank Yannick Kessie in this particular fixture. Minya Frankie de Jong more than a branch friend of Frank Yannick Kessie.
4-3-3.
Okay.
The 4-3-3 back and all ordered out. So about it.
Okay.
And I wore Arejo, Christiansen, and Akunde.
Okay.
Back and all. Before the neighbor corner, a branch named Frankie de Jong.
Okay.
Frank Kessie. And I feel Branty and so a Gavi. Tani ebe kono no. Na up front ya boy Rafinha, Lewandowski, Pedri. Tani ebe kono no. Aha.
Oh, okay.
Yemfa Fatia na se Ferran Torres biya mejinem.
Oh, okay.
Ida say yebema Gavi akwa up front. Na Pedri abechi. Between Gavi and Pedri ba akube o mefe ba akube up front.
Okay.
Enti anu 4-3-3 you know simple.
All right. You know, eno ne ade a.
And I was play bi obenje zobem.
Oh, I know they no because Ousmane Dembele anyway the Rafinha dia. One more aka na ye Ansu Fati ne Ferran Torres no mo a say what you say. One more ye Ansu Fati ne Ferran Torres. One more na betumi operate from the left side.
Yes, two na ahwe na
Ferran na Fati mu ba ko.
Between the Pablo Torre kraba.
Pablo Torre, okay.
To another fantastic young chap.
Okay. No. I think say Barca they would do away without these two great players one more than what this particular season akoye Busquets and Ousmane Dembele and entumi available. The crop of players in England will be available for selection and name the Mazavia and also a good news at the mano. And even with the absence of Busquets and a branch of friend Ousmane Dembele, check Barcelona last 3 games performance more than with the opposing teams I think say one to me stand tall winning all these games, and this game is another test for them. I will move to me about we know and a club from La Liga as usual we need anybody the same league a European competition from another side of a European terrain and also by Manchester United, another top team also by with former also Kutano and comparing Xavi experience in coaching and that of our branch friend Erik ten Hag, you could see say Erik ten Hag that height over Xavi in terms of that tactical changes. You make sure say you be match the opponent in this annual and listening from opinion who say he is aware of what is going to happen at the Camp Nou. He is solely aware, describing one more style of play, describing Onipa or de one more style of play by any day. Making sure say no sa system na Xavier boni nyina no, he is also a born and bred Johan Cruyff, and Dutch football na womo ana womo epo ne ho e de bre Barcelona in Spain womo na epo ne ho nti no eti ase yie wa ball under same system as a player wa ba be coach as a manager nti no on also to sa system na say and only the exciting thing na and now we share game na it shouldn't be the players nko but the dugout the left and the right side. Manchester United any that of coach Erik ten Hag any Xavi Hernandez check it one also nyoma antics a wombo any changes a womo betumi aye how a womo ebe match certain players aye ni mu say wom hu ye hu because we are going to this particular game we are me adeba me ka ko hwe Xavi ni say which the way Manchester United play, especially a branch of friend of Marcus Rashford. How pacey are you? And you say, Obi to say Jules Kunde na Marcus Rashford ever fan or left one more there. Say on any given good day, Biano Jules Kunde Eddie Nyani day, unless a woman uniform. Because
on the right side,
yes, new recovery so poor. Anna or Pebon ball they were yes.
Between Kunde and Arejo. Understanding now, so probably the coach knows on say whenever Barcelona is facing an opponent, an opposition being a pesty player on the left, that's on the right side of Barcelona defense now. Steady, Aureo comes to the right, now Kunda about the central defense because Aureo is a very very pesty player.
Yes.
And I want to say them. So it depends on the tempo of the game. Yes, how Man United will be playing.
Yes, and I make I say
I say yes, the Johan Cruyff philosophy. Ten Hag a student of the game or TRC, but I know not or apply on a Manchester United team.
Oh, okay. Kakra Yes. Kakra Manchester United able fine football power. You see, but the English style of play no, and when make amends Kakra no. Now you say you full of Johan Cruyff style of play no. And yeah, because in the domestic scene you will struggle, but in the European terrain, I hear about one off gamer. Nipano elbow another league from different country and you can match him with that philosophy and I say with that tactics. But in the league, close to over 19 different Premier League teams with different coaches from different angle or education in coaching. So what I say, you will crobia and send a woman coaching this annual manuality. So against annual mano any league proper no league in Ankasano how pacey So what I say, anyhow stronger league in Ankasa. So incoming in untumi mfa eno nkwana enye den emba, but or a better in certain games, you know, or the Komwa or the baby to and in account or dinner results. On which Manchester United now in certain games, Shehawa one more exchange passes on a kind and any other team beyond Woshiama, how United players, you know, ever born of us. So I think say and only at the back one may share in this particular time, Yakakoshe Johan cry for nan and Sanumi, Yakakoshe. Ha, intino changes no how opening be to me a money a tire ho e dey cover that of Marcus Rashford any Vegas any that of say Jadon Sancho and I say Garnacho no mu bi and e be ba ho Peristri no mu bi na e be ba ho no no how be to me a maneuver his way to counter break them no and no na ye be yes eju ye be share and e fe nso no uremu e wo Barcelona yenim Robert Lewandowski. He needs no words, no adjectives to describe Abrante friend Robert Lewandowski as a goal pusher, a goal machine, a goal monger. You can use any other adjective to describe that boy in terms of goal scoring, and he's there for you. So Lewandowski, in having Abrante friend Lisandro Martinez and Rafael Varane. Rafael Varane, me defender I've never trusted. I've never ever trusted him. With ni days or Real Madrid, you know, always be anu yehu ejuma. Sergio Ramos to cover him, and even Manchester United the or my that consistent so about 5, 6, 10 matches consistent. I won't say performance no was through. He has always been redeemed by Abrante Freno, Lisandro Martinez, Juma Oye, and so also and you share how these two players and so they will fare. Before Abrante friend Robert Lewandowski with Rafinha cutting in from the left, either Luxor or no Luxor, woman corner, woman koye, Pedri Gaviana say whoever or better far left one monsono, Yabesha the onoso any either one Bisaka, Diogo Dalo no be to me aboma. So it's going to be a game of krakaeke, a very difficult game for both sides. But how these master tacticians, you know, Jean wants our more game in so far, woman so bano. Yenche how our woman no ekakushia. Ten Hag and Xavi, I think say solid partner in the ekakushi. Yenche how one more approach game no and Yenche the obey to me and the ultimate results no over the other and Ochina Dayaba Yebehu na Yakumu Yena no Makonkai.
All right, and Krobia Asante and so no but no. Yeah, then I be call home, you know. Shannon so United we are 10 and ne. So first 5 minutes. When I say United, they put it straight to be relax here 4-0. I'm a much here 2 near court. I know. Lewandowski, Pedri, I know. I 2-0. 2-0 into my way. I feel come on the BRZ was our first one number the way referees in Akasa. Referees Association of Ghana RAG for the summer their 2 job as the performance of the referees in normal referees now so secretary of the Referees Association of Ghana and at this time 7 2 job and beze in team Komaga Kra and also no at the 2 job at the 5 referees performance our Ghana Premier League first round in nothing so no immediately Komaga Kra na yen sorry so na ni no problem to be a Casiano and so no emra and you know referee the and so no at Alex Anin ano and Referees Association of Ghana Secretary and an Bizan is here. First one's now by the Ghana Premier League. What assessment on the referees?
Say honorable modern hold first round to be able to bring it to this far a modern ball and woman. And I'm sure there isn't any short force. There could be some mistakes. You need to cassette mistakes, should override or cloud over whatever performance they have put up so far. Because second round, Brunica will say introspection. Bianco resting on go within him. No baby, we both seen on bomb against all the correcting. The second round, it perform better than what we performed in the first round. Spice here higher. So no matter your performance, even if you perform 90%, next time we're expecting to improve to get to the higher and the higher level.
Okay, I know Referees Association of Ghana RAG Secretary Alex Anin and also no adding some added to Jano na eba bedi mu enso no enkomo na abeto aso e wo ha baransa na no mamenko amra na yembedi referees no enkomo e ofie but mame announce phone lines no na fin so na bepem afra ba 0551667755 0551667755 and 0270191971 0270191971 and after 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 and then the line say yedi edwuma frebra na fin so for agentche enso no efa ebra. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Bacho odini baby afrefi.
Your friend me come and number here Osofo.
Okay, and your number na remember Osofo na fin so no Osofo frena onu na din komo 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191971 and also free for WhatsApp yabejo so 0205818745 Champions League enra matches dodona echo so and a Europa League to also Ghana Premier League referees assessment on a first league in mo. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Bacho din maybe afrefi.
Good morning, Amenya Bright New.
Bright BBI Boko.
Boko.
Ogazafi.
Nikasafi insisu.
Okay, my deal.
Yo, ene kakra me wo kan se me bompa ma me meeting Barcelona. O share Marcus Rashford wa soja pa nansu. Ehia say your defense now wo frɛ wo to omudin se back no munji djuma ma yen yi. Omuntu me stop sa akwa na nyesa ade be time. And I think so. Nisro, okay, many 3 days.
Yes, and you know, on number na registered. My own say registered Momona. Yam send no.
Registered, and I'm now complaining.
No problem. You know, say I really can't see what and you know. So phone cry, you never buy now. We catch all the answer. And you know, number we are on.
We are
okay, and you know, producers be doing Jumana Omadi Asendo. Na Edina a bright one.
But you didn't Patricia.
Patricia.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And you know, and also no. Yes. All right, yes, yeah, that's say 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191971 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 Ofreba na oyo agenche ede aba UEFA Champions League enra Chelsea amfa ene Barcelona and afin so no eye Manchester United Europa League sans na referees on some and also the first league, you know, and I first round of the Ghana Premier League referees in modern ball only say Kobia.
So weekend share
Ghana Premier League
second round and I say referees in the okay, I think that Medin
I mean for caller in so hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Bacho.
Good morning.
Yes. Bacho didn't baby.
Yes, I'm Patrick. Me katesi kapimple wiki.
Patrick, yo, my too.
Me Pacho, next me problem back and they say last week now and one number equal year and I say one members no collect no me Pacho wobwa and we no one ka. The person I catch ebe gina waka so say the Amanfo equal stadium pan and no credit. Last Kotoko any drink was there last week Sunday. Oh, we'll be a moon and air course. Hello.
Bacho, Udini baby afrefi.
I'm Pacha from Kupege, Miss Fifi, a reflection Amanfo.
My you.
Third round, left with tonight, other crowd. Hello.
It's you.
That was the last race that I had a crowd. Now, Manchester for a Barcelona.
Okay. All right. And I say 0551667755 0551667755 and 0270191971. I'm the probably tuning on the credit and sign on some frame Rabbi 0270191971 WhatsApp or the power and also unsa ebeka 0205 818-748 0205 818-748 and also line Alfreba and also no yensa Ebeka also hello ba chao adaroma na wajum radio na mame why
so tell ni makamba sibium
mind you
na me ka say no egba no wasa kwenye say na go wo memes no collect we di boni ye last year last kotoko any ball abo player ansa so me ka left na wugina ho left eyi nani egu so to say na ket ebe gina wan ka say na Amanfo stadium no o woni ket ni mu na go so onye serious ket onye serious ba kwite kura na me say FA no ankasa so no wo so next to say be wo so onye serious because Ghana no the bia onye serious o bibia ho because who to be make a say and we di ball ni pa left face ni collect o di here do bia bro e wo me kwan so na wugina ho ana so bia ni ball left here den edi Pastor pa. Oh, okay. Now me tell you say, what me for Ghana for in India, bro? Can next Akuffo Sports Stadium, aka, any it's one call.
Okay.
And then why you dey more mine no?
Okay.
When you papa be more mine no. And I next to say okay. And then my member you for about so because and say yen fala you be careful. You be walk pass wrong. It's me how na e me kill obi biara madam ase.
All right, then so yeah that's it. 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191971 0205818748 kind ketsi star 787 ash e kan for the amount global sports etem pesika efe go bottom krobia I mean you.
Well, okay, referees in it, and some I think the first round we know, complaints in adults as compared to even entire season. I was but this particular first round of the games in the referees in no some deja too much and only problems is here you face in the league. And to going forward, you know, said they are opening it to me. Casano, I was say one more. And finding your year, one more and making sure say one more day referees, you know, one more best and atanase, now one more casatre, and in your might be some of and I make us say, okay, when you know, and yet the problem of individual referees, you know, a idea, I was a one more and making it sure say, we a referee crana at least uje decision be, na se won't say, even fourth official, no crowd to me a consult, no. Even all lines no crowd to me like they should be permitted in within some few seconds. I was a woman had that opportunity to communicate before. So I say, but I had no ankasa say referee need decision no ubia flags at that form. The lines in ubia flag that form match commissioner at wo ubi bia at wo. Now you need that access. In VAR say you benya VAR there aye jumano. If you are not going to that tangent, you know can say commentary vano womu betumi enya obi obetinemu ehho na at least replay no etumi ama referees no are resend certain decisions that womu take in the course of the game and it would help womu ye womu adwin say they will go to that tangent ye mubi no ye make a case for no and if say womu enko the other part enso ne say game no course no game no in motion no referee no run with the players sometimes or running behind baby incident ni betumi see sometimes ubehu no over the other side any ade on said they nya the clear description of said the ade na esi no ewo ho no mo enti in consulting the lines no wo mo so betumi nya a second thought of decision being taken from the center referee even match commissioner otewo ono ne tewo ehwe all the angles and baby a game no ko he is also there as we the supporters ayewo ho a yensu yehu certain things clearer than they are not our field in so enti we no nyina ya ade a if they are not visiting the van and our mpo bi obegina van ni mu na ono so etumi make a case wo mo nya that communication no I think say in match no uje decision bi a in the next 20-30 seconds ubetumi akọ dugout ni mu anase bench wono mo woni ene no match commissioner kasa anase wa consult online no the opportunity say even bra game no enko so no betumi abago prama so na wa rush na munyina ma rush maka muti abom then mo take this better option no na munyina mukọ perfect you don't even need VAR. Perfect. You understand the young say. Therefore, when make public notification, say and go back the referees in Akasa into say we are going to involve the linesmen, any that of the fourth officials, no, in together, no, in controversial decision, very difficult moment. Referee Nankasa no all doubt no. It was all nipa baku mienu binkasa and sana finally we to me take decision no. I think say no ebe to me aboa our game no more than say yenge janu so li na ye be kasa akire wo referees Nankasa no they will make amends wo mo abeye ni o maye na ya sanso aba be she egudi na tibi oni fe de line man ne flag kura da ho en yen lines no so no wo mo ye lazy. Yen lines no wo ye lazy ebi wo ho a o ma ne flag so hu say referee na we jawa to oh yeah, you don't see that chemistry between even the center line and the lines, you don't see any other thing. So what I say, these are some of the things that I think Sem24 consider it would help improve the performance of our officials.
All right, I don't so Kobe had a quick one out the buy. The best in Austin which commander.
Oh, Mechia, me madam, we didn't birthday.
Madam.
Yes, I actually. Okay. Wishing happy birthday. Na me boy even so dreams Aziz.
Aziz.
Abdul Aziz. Small boy. Pa me ni free.
Oh, dear Akropong
Oni Bob basa. Me shara na ba hawandi.
Aziz.
Oni Bob.
We share now when our last 3 visits. I will no. We enjoy.
So no was for so no this says watching the whole park. Inya 100 cities obi. Then times 100 cities o. Nyene onibone po
documentary bi aba wono ho pa documentary bi wono ho pa nje ebe release it no onimbobo
se baby o wono so no
de Kenya chance bi se ko baby but bibi 1 or 2 reasons bi din community no
okay Aziz inchano play our dreams FC inchano no wanchia ayifo biata namfo no. Oh baby girls yeah.
Oh baby girls and me chiam. Oma mo duty nyina e chiam. Chiam immigration girls ni nyina.
Immigration girls ni nyina.
Eki chiam nyina.
Una uchi amu. Na say ke say confirm executive producer. Akrobia wo chia na.
Oh ma menko ene ye ejuma. Okay. Ye ejuma ntino ma menko na menchia me guys no KC Trend. Fashion designers guys no. Ye ejuma ntino. Ibie ni a etem.
All right. You're a Kelvin Amponsah Addi confirm nana Akuffo courage man. Samson a pass solo paradise as in a game na draw na so pe baby afa obowa. Ye be shem. Samson Azigi Donzi Austin Austin nka Samson Akrobia Santa drop okuya wonam. Samson TWC right and so nyina boye ama dwumedi na course na adwa so on na mahaba bi nim baby onam was so am around me hu. I don't know also be business hey. Baba anu e business. We didn't Kelvin Amponsah Addi. Mommy's joint. Abraham, I'm in chow. Abraham, chow on a paper. Mommy's joint. What BM papa. Buti show no Abraham, Mommy's joint. Say ben kufu go with dear feeling papa. And you know, Kruma friend them say me feeling to me and a baby ade no. It's Mommy's joint and I pay me chow. Yedi nyame jam, nyame boy chana. E ba beto aso. Ghana.
97.1. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Penny Putin wa fase the ababetra ha no na ensemhu na wadi na nadwi minim so betimi enne obeka ama yati wie nana ya hyehyia aha nti